which is, although you may not be for students learning about sex and alternative lifestyles in public schools, because these are real social issues, with your parental consent, you would be intelligent if you agreed for your child to be taught this type of information in a public school when they reach the quote-unquote proper age. This whole news story was intended to take a bite out of your Christian value system. And as I stated earlier, this whole process is repeated over and over again until you completely receive a new belief system. So as you continue to watch the Fox Network, which airs programming such as Family Guy and The Simpsons, which are cartoons that boldly depict scenes of sexuality, cross-dressing, and homosexuality, the Hegelian dialectic continues and continues until you willingly submit to Satan's system. And if you think that all of this is just a coincidence, why don't you go and ask the CEO of the Fox Network, Rupert Murdoch, who not only owns the Fox Network, but also owns a company called News Corporation, which owns a company called HarperCollins that publishes pro-homosexual literature and holds the copyright for the Satanic Bible by Anton LaVey. Oh yeah, by the way, Rupert Murdoch also happens to be one of the world's largest producers of pornography, and he claims to be a born-again Christian, and his pastor is none other than Rick Warren, the same Rick Warren that supports, like Obama, the civil union of homosexuals, and is the author of the #1 seller, The Purpose-Driven Life and The Purpose-Driven Church. I wonder what purpose Rick Warren is really teaching in those books.